Hey everyone, welcome back. Forgot your Uber password or cannot log in because of a password error? Here's exactly how to reset it under a minute without losing your account. Write history or payment methods. First, open the Uber app and in the login screen tap sign in. Enter your email address and tap next. On the password screen, tap Forgot Password right below the password field. Uber will ask you to add your email address to send the reset link to. Enter it and tap Submit. Now open your email inbox and then look for a message from the Uber app. Check your spam and junk folder too if you do not see it in the main inbox. Then open the email and tap Reset Link Password button inside it. This opens a page where you can type your password. Make it something strong, at least 8 characters with a mix of letters and numbers. Type it again and to confirm and tap Save. Uber will log you in on that screen automatically. From now on, you can also log in with just your phone number and a text code, so you never need to remember the passcode. So all you've got to do is go to login screen, enter email, tap Forgot Password, check your email for the reset link, create new password and done. Subscribe for more.